So sometimes it can be hard to find healthy recipes that you can prepare in advance. But Chef Antoine has found a recipe that you can use for sour cream or cream cheese spread that you can make in advance to incorporate in your meals, but is also a healthier version. Now Chef Antoine's going to show us how to do a yogurt cheese that you can use for a variety of portions of your meal. And up to you.
Good morning, welcome to Issaquah. We need like a strainer, a container underneath to catch it. And we're going to use some cheesecloth. And we're just going to line the strainer. I'm going to take, again, this yogurt. And what we're doing, and we're drawing out all the, most of the water from it to firm it up. What you can do is just gather the cheesecloth up. We have some butcher twine here. And we're just going to leave it in here to strain overnight. So this is what we have right here for just 24 hours. So we're going to do a herb one today. And with the herb one, we got some chopped up fresh green onions, some fresh parsley. You can add just a little salt if you like or not. I'm also going to put in some cracked black peppercorns in here. Then we're going to spike it up with a little roasted garlic. This goes well on the crudité or on a cheese board.